ChatGPT OpenAI, and it's Code Interpreter. And what Code Interpreter is a new plugin that can write Python code, work with files, opening and closing them, analyze data, and visualize data. And it really is an opportunity to democratize data analysis. So let's take a look. This example is from Ethan Mollick of the University of Pennsylvania. And he gives the example of, I'm writing a blog post about how amazing ChatGPT is working with code right now. I'd like you to create the perfect illustration, a GIF using Python that represents its ability, decide what an appropriate amazing GIF would be, then figure out how to create it and let me download it. And it does this, and it says, basically, great, I'll get going on this, get some code. Would you like to create a Mandelbrot set as a GIF? And I respond, yes, definitely, I would like that. That sounds perfect as a GIF. It would be an amazing capability. So then it tries to figure out the code. It's working away here, and I've speeded it up for illustration purposes. And what's really interesting, and this is very similar to how I work with Python, is that I get it wrong. It says, I've got an error here. I'll correct this error by converting variables to integers. So it's trying again. It found its error. This is the code it now comes up with in Python. And then further, it will found problems with this code is that the images sizes and iterations were too large and it was too much for memory. So it said, I'll fix this, optimize it. I can reduce the image size and the number of iterations. So it changes the code again. And then it comes up with code that works. And here it says, now let's download the GIF. I download this GIF and then I actually upload it again and run it in a browser. And here it goes. This is the Mandelbrot set that it actually creates here. And it's a beautiful Mandelbrot set here. I was absolutely astonished by that. And the way it did this is it created a whole series of frames of the GIF that it stitched together to create the animation. So we can see the frames coming up here where first frame, second frame, and you see how it's moving here and it animates it and puts it all together. That is quite astonishing that what it's done here. The implications for coding, for data analysis are absolutely astonishing, and I don't gush very often.